To maintain your Whoop charge, start by understanding the basics of the device and its battery life. The Whoop strap is designed to be worn continuously, tracking your daily activities, sleep, and recovery. It has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 5 days on a single charge. First, ensure you have the correct charger. As the Whoop strap uses a proprietary charger, plug the charger into a USB port and attach the strap to the charging dock. The strap will begin to charge, and you will see the charging indicator on the strap's screen. To get the most out of your Whoop charge, charge your strap when the battery level falls below 20%, avoiding letting the battery completely drain, as this can affect the overall battery health. Charge your strap for at least 30 minutes to get a significant boost, and ideally charge it for a few hours to get a full charge. It is also essential to keep your strap and charger clean and dry. Avoid exposing your strap to extreme temperatures, and keep it away from water and moisture. Regularly clean the charging contacts on the strap and the charger to ensure a stable connection. When traveling, consider packing a portable charger to keep your Whoop strap charged on the go. You can also use a power bank to charge your strap in case of an emergency. By following these simple steps, you can maintain your Whoop charge and ensure your strap continues to track your activities and provide valuable insights into your fitness and recovery. Remember to charge your strap regularly, keep it clean and dry, and avoid extreme temperatures to get the most out of your device.